Greeting everyone, welcome back to 4DD. Have you ever accidentally deleted important files only to find that they did not appear in the recycle bin? This is not only frustrating, but may also have serious consequences. Don't worry, today we will teach you 3 methods to retrieve these lost files. Method 1. Use file history to recover files. First, go to Settings. Click Update and Security. Find Backup in the left menu. Click on More Options and select Related Settings. To click on Restore Files from a current backup. In the next window, choose the files and folders you need. To restore the files, select your folder and click on the green button, saying Restore to Original Location. Click Continue, and after recovering, all your data will be restored. Method 2. Use Windows Backup to recover files. This method only works if you have a backup with the external hard drive. Remember to connect those backup drives to your PC before starting. First, go to the Start menu, type Control Panel and click on it. Hit Restore My Files to recover your deleted files. If you didn't back up your files in advance, this method may not help you out. Method 3. Use 4DDiG data recovery software. Here I recommend you use the 4DDiG data recovery software. 4DDiG supports all kinds of data recovery. It can recover data from internal computer, SD cards, USB, external hard drive, etc. It also supports data recovery from over 1,000 plus different type files, including photos, videos, documents, etc. You can follow my step. Launch 4DDiG firstly. Choose the location where you lost your file. Select File Types. Hit Scan. After the scan complete, find your target file and hit Recover. Simple like this, and you have your files back. Alright, that's all we're going to share today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a message in the comment section below. Remember, protecting data security is everyone's responsibility. Regular backups, cautious operation, and the use of professional software are all effective methods for protecting data. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe us. See you guys in the next video.